Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS text alignment and text direction. And right now we'll be discussing about the CSS text align last to the right. So the text align last property specifies how to align the last line of a text. So I'm going to be showing you how this works. This place in this example right here, we align the last line of text in 3p elements. So we are going to be doing some stuff with this now. So this is our document. In our previous tutorial, we have all this where we discuss about the CSS text justify, text align justify. And we specify text align and we gave it justify. That's what gave us this. And I told you that you should notice this last place right here. This one is not justified and is not aligned properly. So maybe we want to rearrange it, so that's why we need to use the CSS text align last. So I'm going to be using that in our document now, so you can see how it works. Back to our document. Right here we are having justify in our text align. So we are not going to change this because we are not here working with this. As we all know, we can only have only single text align property inside our document. Now we are going to use text align last. We are going to use text align last and we are going to give it what? We are going to give it right. When we give it right, we are going to see what will happen. Just keep looking at this text right here. Now let me reload. Can you see? When I reload, it comes to the right side like this. Definitely for us, if it's only one element that is you want to realign, maybe like you are writing a letter or you are writing magazine, or it's a magazine or newspaper or whatever, that's how you can align it to the right side using text align right. As you can see, this is the property we use, text align right. If you loved this tutorial, let's meet in our next tutorial. And what akorede ayofe is my name. Once again, I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love.